Hello fans, welcome to Susie Farms. Here we focus on agriculture, animal husbandry, aquaculture, and agribusiness, where we bring research to practice. Our products are purely organic, from the farm to the table, so we can eat healthy food. If you are new here, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit on the notification bell. Permit us to serve you with some cola nut and palm wine so you can relax while watching. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The lack of adequate soil nutrients lead to poor or stunted growth of plants that result to poor crop yield, hunger, and financial losses. Healthy and fertile soil needs adequate supply of nutrients to feed the plants. Today, we shall be looking at the nutrients needed for optimal plant growth and production of food. Come, follow us. Let's do it. Plants need 13 different nutrients from the soil in order to fully develop. 6 of these nutrients are needed in large quantities, while the micronutrients are needed in smaller quantities. These key nutrients help create new cells, which then organize into plant tissue. Without this nutrient, growth and survival of plants will not occur. The major nutrients in the soil for plant growth are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which make up the trio known as NPK. These nutrients are absorbed by the plants for root development, growth, flowering, and fruiting. Other important nutrients are calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Plants also need trace elements like iron, manganese, zinc, copper, boron, and molybdenum. These nutrients should be constantly replaced, else production will decline with decreasing amount of soil nutrients. These nutrients must be balanced. A deficiency in one nutrient cannot be compensated by the surplus of the other. The concept of limiting factor states that plant growth is always controlled by the mineral nutrient in the shortest supply, even when a sufficient quantity of the other nutrient exists. Imagine a wooden bucket with staves of different length. If water is filled in the bucket, it can be filled only to the height of the shortest staff, which is the limiting factor. In nature, nitrogen is always limiting in plant growth. The source of the nutrient are mostly from the soil, except nitrogen, which comes mostly from the atmosphere. Nitrogen is a very essential element in plant growth. It is found in plant cells, protein, hormones, and chlorophyll. The main source of soil nitrogen is from the atmosphere. Legumes fix atmospheric nitrogen in their roots, thereby helping to convert atmospheric nitrogen into soil nitrate that plants can easily absorb. Nitrate helps foliage grow strong by affecting the plant's leaf development. It is also responsible for giving plants their green coloring by helping with chlorophyll production. Dark soils usually contain more nitrogen than light brown soil. Heavy rain usually leach out nitrate from the soil, so it should be added in small amounts that plant can effectively use it, preferably in organic form, like composted manure, which releases the nitrate slowly. Phosphorus is responsible for assisting with the growth of roots and flowers. Phosphorus also helps plants withstand environmental stress and harsh weather conditions. It stimulates early root development, photosynthesis, and plant growth. It also transfers energy from sunlight to plant and hastens the maturity of plant as it helps the plant to produce flowering sites and produce large buds. Manure contains phosphorus, especially grain-fed animal manure like chicken manure. Potassium strengthens plants, contributes to early growth, and helps the plant to resist diseases, increase flowering and fruit production. It also enhances strong root growth, water intake, and helps to form and move starch, sugar, and oil in plants. It enhances plants' vigor, disease-resistant capacity, and heal. Cassava and bananas are big potassium users. Calcium aids in the growth and development of cell walls. This is key because well-developed cell walls helps the plant to resist diseases. It is also necessary for metabolism and the uptake of nitrogen by the plant. Calcium is vital for healthy roots, growth of new roots, root health, and leaf development. Magnesium contributes to the green coloring of plants. It is a key component of chlorophyll, which makes leaves green. Chlorophyll is vital in converting the sun's energy to food for the plant in a process called photosynthesis. Magnesium may help with the production of carbohydrate and sugar to enhance flowering. Deficiencies occur mainly on sandy acid soil in high rainfall areas. Sulfur helps plants to resist diseases as well as contribute to the plant growth and the formation of seeds. Sulfur is also a major constituent of amino acid in plant protein and enzymes. It is involved in energy producing processes in plants. It helps produce chlorophyll and plays a vital role in foliage and root development. It is responsible for the flavor and aroma of many plants like onion, cabbage, garlic, among others. Sulfur deficiency is not a problem in soil high in organic matter. Micronutrients are trace elements that are needed in small quantities for healthy growth, such as iron, manganese, copper, zinc, boron, molybdenum, and chlorine. Iron is a constituent of many compounds that regulate and promote growth. It is an important component of enzymes that are essential for chlorophyll synthesis and photosynthesis. Manganese helps with photosynthesis and chloroplast formation. It is a cofactor in many plant reactions that activate enzymes. Copper is an essential element of plant enzymes and is involved in photosynthesis. Zinc supports the production of plant hormones and auxins activity, which are responsible for stem elongation and leaf expansion. Boron enhances the formation of cell walls in growing tissues. It is very important in sugar transport, cell division, and amino acid production. Molybdenum helps soil organisms and bacteria in the nodules of legumes to convert atmospheric nitrogen into soluble nitrogen compound in the soil like nitrate. It is vital in protein formation from nitrates. Chlorine is essential in sugar regulation. It aids photosynthesis and helps plants to resist diseases. Too little or too much of any one nutrient can cause problem of nutrient imbalance. So it is good to fertilize lightly and monitor or test the soil before adding much fertilizer. In our next video, we shall explain the causes of nutrient imbalance and how to rectify it. Please kindly share your own opinion about soil nutrients in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell so you will be notified when we post our next video. Thanks to all our returning and new subscribers for watching. We would love to see you here again. Don't forget to share your own opinion with us. We encourage all farmers to use organic fertilizer that releases nutrients slowly to avoid leaching. See you next week. Cheers.